Air lines on a combination vehicle are often colored to keep them from getting mixed up. The emergency line is. The service line is A. Red, blue. B. Blue, red. C. Black, yellow. D. Depends on the type of trailer. The correct answer is A. Red, blue. The safety catch for the fifth wheel locking lever must be. For a coupling to be complete. A. Under the locking lever. B. Over the locking lever. C. Through the locking lever. D. Inside the locking lever. The correct answer is B. Over the locking lever. You have a major leak in the service line and you put on the brakes. Service air pressure will escape and cause the A. Trailer tank pressure to be lost. B. Trailer emergency brakes to come on. C. Tractor spring brakes to lock on. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Trailer emergency brakes to come on. Which of these statements is true? A. Light vehicles need more braking power to stop than heavy ones. B. Always delay braking a heavy vehicle until you have no other choice. C. Bobtail tractors can take longer to stop than a combination vehicle loaded to the maximum gross weight. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Bobtail tractors can take longer to stop than a combination vehicle loaded to the maximum gross weight. You are coupling a tractor to a semi-trailer and have backed up but are not under it. What should you hook up before backing under? A. The safety chain. B. The electrical service cable. C. Nothing, back up and lock the fifth wheel. D. The emergency and service airlines. The correct answer is D. The emergency and service airlines. The front trailer supports are up and the trailer is resting on the tractor. Make sure. A. There is enough clearance between the tractor frame and the landing gear. B. There is enough clearance between the tops of the tractor tires and the nose of the trailer. C. Both A and B are correct. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Both A and B are correct. You are coupling a tractor and semi-trailer and have connected the airlines. Before backing under the trailer, you should A. Make sure that the trailer brakes are off. B. Supply air to the trailer system, then pull out the air supply knob to lock the trailer brakes. C. Apply the brakes twice to alert others. D. All of the above. The correct answer is B. Supply air to the trailer system, then pull out the air supply knob to lock the trailer brakes. When backing under a tractor under a trailer, you should expect A. Trailer will be lifted slightly when the tractor backs under it. B. End of the kingpin is even with the top of the fifth wheel. C. Trailer landing gear is fully extended. D. No movement of the trailer if you've done it correctly. The correct answer is A. Trailer will be lifted slightly when the tractor backs under it. Why should you lock the tractor glad hands, or dummy couplers, to each other when you are not towing a trailer? A. The connected brake circuit becomes a backup air tank. B. If you did not, you could never build system pressure. C. It will keep dirt and water out of the lines. D. You should never do this. The correct answer is C. It will keep dirt and water out of the lines. You have coupled with a semi-trailer. In what position should you put the front trailer supports before driving away? A. 3 turns off the top with the crank handle secured in its bracket. B. Fully raised with the crank handle secured in its bracket. C. Raised 1/2 way with the crank handle removed. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Fully raised with the crank handle secured in its bracket. When uncoupling, if you park the trailer at an angle. A. You won't have to do as much walking around the vehicle. B. You'll have more room to maneuver in the yard. C. You'll make the process easier. D. You could do damage to the landing gear. The correct answer is D. You could do damage to the landing gear. Off-tracking occurs when you go around a corner and A. The rear wheels follow a different path than the front wheels. B. The rear trailer goes off the road. C. The rear wheels follow the front ones in a straight line. D. The front of the trailer pulls to the right. The correct answer is A. The rear wheels follow a different path than the front wheels. Large combination vehicles take longer to stop. A. When they are empty. B. When they are loaded. C. Than bobtail tractors. D. It takes the same time whether empty or loaded. The correct answer is A. When they are empty. The device which connects the service and emergency airlines from the truck to the trailer is called A. Relay switch. B. Glad hands. C. Service couplers. D. Shut-off valves. The correct answer is B. Glad hands. If you cross-connect the two airlines, the following will result. A. Nothing, the lines are interchangeable. B. You will not have air going to the trailer brakes. C. Your tractor brakes will lock up. D. You could not move the tractor. The correct answer is B. You will not have air going to the trailer brakes. When coupling the glad hands, you should not do the following. A. Clean the couplers before a connection is made. B. Press the two seals together at a 90-degree angle. C. Cross air supply lines to test them for leaks. D. Match the colors to each other, or read the tags before connecting. The correct answer is C. Cross air supply lines to test them for leaks. The service airline is controlled by A. The pressure applied to the line by the foot brake or the trailer hand brake. B. The relay valve which connects the trailer air tanks to the trailer air brakes. C. The relay valve which sends air pressure from the trailer air tank to the trailer brake chambers. D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. The pressure applied to the line by the foot brake or the trailer hand brake. If you start a trailer skid, you should A. Step on the brakes quickly. B. Release the brakes to get traction back. C. Use the trailer handbrake. D. Slowly apply pressure to the brakes. The correct answer is B. Release the brakes to get traction back. When rolling up the landing gear to complete the coupling process. A. Leave the landing gear halfway down to make uncoupling easier later. B. Use low gear until the tractor is supporting the trailer. C. Use high gear to speed up the process. D. Grease the landing gear to speed up the process. The correct answer is B. Use low gear until the tractor is supporting the trailer. To prevent rollovers, remember to A. Keep the load centered. B. Keep the load as low as possible. C. Go slow around turns. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The air leakage rate for a combination vehicle, engine off, brakes on, should not be more than psi per minute. A. 2 psi. B. 3 psi. C. 4 psi. D. 2.5 psi. The correct answer is C. 4 psi. Semi-trailers made before 1975 that are equipped with air brakes. A. Often do not have spring brakes. B. Usually need a glad hand converter. C. Are easier to brake because they are heavier. D. Only were equipped with spring brakes. The correct answer is A. Often do not have spring brakes. Before you back under a trailer, make sure the A. Air brakes are off. B. Tractor protection valve is normal. C. Landing gear is up. D. Trailer brakes are locked. The correct answer is D. Trailer brakes are locked. The air leakage rate for a combination vehicle, engine off, brakes off, should be no more than psi per minute. A. 1 psi. B. 2 psi. C. 3 psi. D. 4 psi. The correct answer is C. 3 psi. If the service air line comes apart while you are driving a combination vehicle but the emergency line stays together, what will happen right away? A. Nothing is likely to happen until you try to apply the brakes. B. You'll come to a complete stop. C. The trailer's air tank will exhaust through the open line. D. The emergency tractor brakes will come on. The correct answer is A. Nothing is likely to happen until you try to apply the brakes. In normal driving, some drivers use the hand valve before applying the brake pedal to prevent a jackknife. Which of these statements is true? A. It results in less skidding than using the brake pedal alone. B. It should not be done. C. It is the best way to brake and keep the truck in a straight line. D. It should only be used if you're aware of the dangers. The correct answer is B. It should not be done. The hand valve should be used. A. To test the trailer brakes. B. Only when the trailer is fully loaded. C. Only in emergencies. D. Only with the foot brake. The correct answer is A. To test the trailer brakes. You are driving a combination vehicle when the trailer breaks away, pulling apart both airlines. You would expect the trailer brakes to come on and A. The trailer supply valve to stay open. B. The tractor to lose all air pressure. C. The tractor protection valve to close. D. The tractor protection valve to open. The correct answer is C. The tractor protection valve to close. The driver crosses the airlines when hooking up to an old trailer. What will happen? A. If the trailer has no spring brakes, you can drive away, but you will not have trailer brakes. B. The brake pedal will work the trailer's spring brakes instead of the air brakes. C. The hand valve will apply the tractor brakes instead of the trailer brakes. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. If the trailer has no spring brakes, you can drive away, but you will not have trailer brakes. The fifth wheel locking lever is not locked after the jaws close around the kingpin. This means that A. You can set the fifth wheel for weight balance. B. The coupling is not right and should be fixed before driving the vehicle. C. The parking lock is off and you may drive away. D. The fifth wheel needs to be replaced. The correct answer is B. The coupling is not right and should be fixed before driving the vehicle.